Once it was just a van. This van has seen the world. Now, after decades on the road, it's time for a second life. This is the story of transformation. This isn't just a restoration, it's the beginning of a new adventure. After returning from the festival, we continued working on the van. We had just 2 weeks before our next planned trip. What we needed most was a comfortable bed and plenty of storage space. So that's what we decided to focus on. We insulated the walls with XPS panels. Then we finished the floor and covered it with the OSB panels. Next, we planned and cut an opening for the fresh water inlet. Durability 200%. To improve insulation, we covered the metal mesh with Armaflex tape. The new roof turned out strong enough to walk on. We cleaned the roof with a pressure washer in preparation for the next step, while also giving it an extra leak test. Are you ready? And the next step was cutting yet another big hole in the roof. This time for the skylight. After that, we cut plywood panels and used them to line the storage compartment. It turned out to be a lot of unnecessary work. In hindsight, we could have made it from a single sheet. Before installing the wooden panels, we added an extra layer of vapor barrier. Then we started building the bed. The bed was designed as a freestanding structure attached only to the floor. Our idea was to make the upper frame lift up, providing easy access to the storage compartment underneath. After the first test, we realized the structure wasn't rigid enough, so we had to reinforce it. On the very last day before departure, we finished setting up the electrical system. this configuration, we managed to drive all the way to Portugal and back.
Come on in. This is how we live right now in the really not finished van. So yeah, this is our king size bed. Yeah, we don't have any curtains and all of these parts are not finished, and yeah, you see it. But the most important is that we have a skylight and we can enjoy the stars from our van. This is our light. We don't have, no, we have some light here as well, but this is portable light, so we can put it in different parts. So this is our big storage. There are no shelves over there, but we can store a lot of things there, really huge amounts of things. Yeah. Also the floors and everything and the walls are not finished, but it is what it is. We couldn't wait more. We wanted to travel, and comfort is a bit different story. We wanted to travel, and this is more important. So this is also our kitchen stuff, and our kitchen, the fridge, the working fridge, our electricity box. We have solar panels connected to them, so we have a bit of electricity. Not always, but yeah. And this is a beautiful curtain which we have. So we can have some more light in the kitchen. Yeah, and here is some more storage, and here we store all of our clothes, and this is Ninja air fry cooker, which we use only in the camping because otherwise we don't have power for it. Yeah, and here are our beautiful seats. Yeah, and we also don't have, as you see, don't have any toilet, so we use only outside. And in case, in the worst case scenario, we have this bucket, so we can use it.
That is like an extreme one.
Yeah.
Yeah, also our alternator has died, I think 5,000 kilometers ago. So all the electricity in the engine is powered by this one. And yeah, it's 12 to 12 volt transformator and controller, and it gets charged by the solar panels from the roof. So basically we have a solar powered vehicle right now.
Yeah, and here is also our water canister, some water for cooking and so on, and also some drinking water. Yeah, that's it. Nothing more.
Thank you for watching. Let us know in the comments what you think about the build so far. And would you like to see some more videos from our travels too?